Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tools Insight here. We all know time is money, right? Especially when you're elbow deep in an engine bay. That's why we're diving deep into the 20 must-have mechanic tools for 2024. These aren't your grandpa's rusty wrenches, we're talking game changers. First up, the cordless impact wrench, specifically the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This beast is a game changer. Remember those stubborn bolts that used to require Herculean strength? Those days are over. With up to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, it'll make quick work of anything you throw at it. And because it's cordless, you're free to roam around the shop or the job site without being tethered to an outlet. Trust me, once you go cordless, you'll never go back. The freedom and efficiency are unmatched. Next up, we're talking precision, and when it comes to precision, you can't beat a digital torque wrench. This bad boy takes all the guesswork out of tightening bolts to spec. Whether you're working on a delicate engine component or just want to make sure you don't over-tighten your lug nuts, this tool is a must-have. Over-tightening can lead to stripped threads and broken bolts. With a digital torque wrench, you'll have peace of mind knowing that every bolt is tightened to the exact specification. We've all been there, right? You're in the middle of a job and bam, you drop a tiny but crucial bolt. It disappears into the abyss of your garage floor. Well, friends, those days are over. Enter the magnetic parts tray. This simple yet ingenious invention is a lifesaver. It's like a force field for your small parts, keeping them securely in place while you work. No more crawling around on the floor, desperately searching for that elusive 10mm socket. And the best part, magnetic parts trays are super affordable. Chapter 4. Creeper seat with storage comfort meets organization. Let's face it, working on your back under a car isn't exactly a day at the spa, but it doesn't have to be a back-breaking experience either. That's where the creeper seat with storage comes in. The creeper seat itself provides much-needed support and comfort, saving your back from unnecessary strain. And let's be honest, when you're comfortable, you work better. Most creeper seats these days come with built-in storage compartments. This means you can keep all your most used tools within arm's reach. Chapter 5. OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner. Diagnose like a pro. With an OBD2 Bluetooth scanner, you can diagnose car problems yourself right from your smartphone. This little device plugs into your car's OBD2 port and reads the error codes that are triggering your check engine light. It often gives you potential causes and even repair suggestions. Plus, you can clear those pesky check engine lights yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Chapter 6. Brake Caliper Toolset. Master the brake job. Brake jobs can seem daunting if you've never done them before, but with the right tools, like a good brake caliper toolset, you can tackle those brakes like a pro. A brake caliper toolset typically includes everything you need to retract the caliper pistons, allowing you to replace your brake pads and rotors safely and efficiently. No more struggling with makeshift tools or risking damage to your calipers. Having a dedicated brake caliper toolset ensures that you're doing the job right. Ever been working on your car and encountered a bolt in such a tight spot that you can barely even fit your hand in there? That's where stubby ratchets come in clutch. These compact ratchets are designed specifically for those cramped, hard-to-reach areas. They're shorter than your average ratchet, giving you the leverage and maneuverability you need. Working in a dimly lit garage or under the hood of your car can be a recipe for frustration. That's why a rechargeable LED work light is an absolute must-have. These lights are compact, powerful, and they provide bright, clear illumination exactly where you need it. No more fumbling around in the dark or relying on that flickering overhead light. Plus, with rechargeable LED work lights, you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Alright, let's talk about wheel lug nuts for a second. Over-tightening them is a common mistake, and it can lead to some serious problems down the road. But on the other hand, you don't want them too loose either. That's where a torque stick set comes in. These color-coded sticks ensure that your lug nuts are tightened to the correct specification every time. Remember those stubby ratchets we talked about earlier? Well, if those are the sprinters of the ratchet world, then flexible head ratchets are the marathon runners. These ingenious tools take versatility to a whole new level. The head of the ratchet can be adjusted to various angles, allowing you to access bolts from all sorts of awkward positions. With a flexible head ratchet, you can work smarter, not harder. Electrical problems in your car can be some of the most frustrating to diagnose. But with a digital multimeter, you can take the mystery out of electrical troubleshooting. This versatile tool measures voltage, current, resistance, and continuity, giving you a clear picture of what's going on with your car's electrical system. It's like having X-ray vision for your car's electrical system. The cordless ratchet wrench is the love child of a ratchet and an impact wrench. It combines the speed and power of an impact wrench with the precision and control of a ratchet. This means you can quickly zip off bolts in tight spaces without worrying about over-tightening or damaging anything. Plus, because it's cordless, you have the freedom to move around your workspace. If you're serious about working on your car, a rolling tool cart is a must-have. It's not just a place to store your tools, it's your mobile mechanic headquarters. A good tool cart will keep your tools organized, protected, and easily accessible. With everything you need in one convenient location, you can work more efficiently and get the job done faster. Plus, many tool carts come with built-in work surfaces. Anyone who's ever tried to remove interior panels from a car knows that it can be a recipe for broken clips and frustration. But with a good set of clip removal tools, you can say goodbye to those headaches. These specialized tools are designed to safely and easily remove those pesky plastic clips that hold your car's interior panels in place. A good clip removal tool set will pay for itself tenfold in saved frustration and broken clips. A dead battery is never convenient, and it always seems to happen at the worst possible time. But with a jump starter with a built-in air compressor, you can be your own roadside hero. These portable powerhouses can jumpstart your car's battery in a pinch, and they also come with a built-in air compressor for inflating tires. With a jump starter and air compressor combo, you're always prepared for whatever the road throws your way. Sometimes you need to remove interior panels or trim pieces without damaging the delicate plastic clips or scratching the surrounding surfaces. That's where a panel popper set comes in. These tools are designed with a soft yet firm touch, allowing you to gently pry away panels and trim without causing any damage. A good panel popper set is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car's interior looking its best. Ever wish you had X-ray vision to see inside your car's engine without having to take it apart? Well, an inspection camera, also known as a bore scope, is the next best thing. These handy tools feature a small camera on the end of a flexible cable, allowing you to snake it into tight spaces and get a clear view of what's going on. It's like having a miniature inspector that can go where your eyes can't. Stripped bolts are the bane of every mechanic's existence. But with a thread repair kit, you can say goodbye to those frustrating moments of spinning wrenches and muttered curses. These kits typically include a variety of taps and inserts that allow you to create new threads in a stripped hole. A good thread repair kit will save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Torque-to-yield bolts are becoming increasingly common on modern cars, and they require a special tool for proper installation, a torque angle gauge. Unlike traditional bolts that are tightened to a specific torque spec, torque-to-yield bolts are first tightened to a specific torque, and then they're turned an additional angle. A torque angle gauge takes the guesswork out of this process, ensuring that your torque-to-yield bolts are installed correctly every time. Let's be real. Working on cars can be tough on your hands. From sharp edges to greasy parts, your hands go through a lot. That's why a good pair of mechanic gloves with grip is essential. Not only do they protect your hands from cuts, scrapes, and burns, but they also provide enhanced grip. So there you have it, 20 mechanic tools that'll instantly make your life easier. From cordless impact wrenches to digital torque wrenches to magnetic parts trays, these tools are game changers. Which of these tools do you already use? And which one are you adding to your shopping list right now? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Tools Insight, because every week we break down the best tools for every trade.